Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Reggie. This is the first episode, and today we're gonna make our own lasagna. Step 1, you're gonna wanna take it out of the box and get a knife. Step 2, you don't wanna just do this. For some gentle ventilation. Step 3, you're gonna wanna open your microwave, put it in there. As I was saying, step 4, you're gonna put it in there. You're gonna close the microwave. You're gonna set the timer up, cook 4 minutes. This is some gourmet shit here. And we're gonna press start. And it's gonna start and cook for 4 minutes, then you wait 4 minutes and do some shit. Now in the meantime, you can play some ball with your dog. Hey dog. Or you could film another video. Do you guys remember this one? Make sure you clean that up. Because if you don't, your mom will get mad at you. It's the main surviving piece. This one doesn't like to break. So you can use this as like a weapon, like shank, shank. Oh, it just broke more. Oh! Now what your woman gonna do? Take off that. Start touching your fingers on it, it will burn your skin. This shit been in there for a long time. You take it off. And then you close it back up. You go for 4 more minutes. You press start, and it go. Now it's time to clean that shit up that I do downstairs. Ha ha ha, you feel me? Make sure to wear shoes so you don't get glass in your feet. Now I know for a fact that this is good because it say good. So you open that up and you ready to go. Don't that look good? Time for the smell test. Smells like good stuff. Now for the taste test. Ooh, that's still hot. Now, you're just gonna wait till it get cold more. So you gotta wait and do more activities. Like eat your lasagna. Now you know it's a good sign when there's steam coming out. That means that it's good to go. And as always guys, peace.
이라는 건 점점